Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Glad to have you. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Hi again. So today I have some items to show you from GBFKE. Yep, one of my long-standing relationships with a company is GBFKE. So let's show you what we have. And of course, thank you to them for letting me pick out things to show you. We're kind of back on a roll here again. There was a little pause there for a bit. I think, that tariff word kind of affected some of the people that were shipping things to me from China, but I think we're kind of back on a little roll here again. So yeah, let's show you what we have. This is just in time for Smashing the Specials. Show you some of the things you can work on. I need to record that video yet. I got to get to that. Okay, let me zoom you in first of all, and let's get to this. Okay. Let's just start with that first one. It's been a while since I chose an owl painting, but there we have it. There's an owl painting. Got the owl sitting on the branch, the moon in the background, and then we got trees. A lot of this is not drilled. There are some drills peppered throughout, but the rest of it is printed. The trees are printed and all of that stuff. This has 9 different types of drills. It's a 30 by 30. It's very pretty. I see a lot of special drills through here, around this wing over here. There's lots down there. And then I think some of these are going to be special drills, more on the tail, more here. There's going to be quite a few. I don't know how many. It looks like maybe, gosh, I'm not even going to speak to it yet. I don't know. Let's just open them up and we'll find out. 4, 5. Let's find out. Okay, here we go. Rhinestones. We have clear, gold, pink, and purple. Okay, so only 4 of them are rhinestones. There we go. That means there are 5 special drills. So we have clear, faceted, AB coated marquees. We have the pretty pink marquee. White pearls. Oh, there's going to be white pearls all over the place. Pretty pink faceted rounds that also has AB coating on it. And then we have gold faceted rounds. Doesn't look like there's AB coating on those. But anyhow, that's really pretty. I like it. What do you think? All right, let's set that aside for now and let's show you the next one. This one was unique. This is different for me. This one is definitely different for me. It's this little fairy. I love the little gown the fairy's wearing and her wings. And she's just in the flowers. She's just in her flowers. And she's like got a dewdrop there, a little raindrop. And she's, really, what are fairies? I think they're little things that are in the flowers and in the plants. And little things flitting around in there. Anyhow, this one has 8 different drills. Where's our special drills? There's special drills on the wings, in the dewdrops, in the plant, in the petals of the big flowers, on the leaves. There's quite a few. Looks like maybe we got a similar situation going here. Less rhinestones than special drills. Let us find out. I am correct. So we have blue rhinestones, pink rhinestones, and green. So only 3 out of the 8. So again, we got 5 special drills. We got the blue. I used to call these the claws, the orange ones. But those are really pretty. Blue teardrops. We got the pink, clear marquee. Very pretty blue pearls. Love those. Oh, that's pretty. Faceted blue. That has AB coating on it. It's picking up green and other colors in there. And then we have the green ones as well. That's our leaves. That'll be flower petals. You get it? You're following along? Yeah. Super pretty. Super, super pretty. Like I said, that one's a little different for me. I don't normally get paintings like that. I don't know. I don't think I have any fairies. Do I have some? I might have 1 or 2 fairies. All right. Oh, here's the toolkit. Just in case you didn't know, they all come with a toolkit like that. This one's unique. Okay. I like this one. I like this one. I have a few that are similar to this. Hang on. Sorry. Allergies are real. So this is like a quilt. The whole background is like a quilt with all the different pieces and like some lace. I love it. And then we have the flowers. I love that. That's so pretty. I love it. Big bouquet of flowers. Look at these. Oh, we're going to have some special flowers here. Looks like B and C are going to be flowers. A is going to be some round. Oh, wow. That's kind of cool. There's a legend on both sides. It has 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like 4 special drills, 6 rhinestones. That's my guess. They're even marked kind of cool. Like H, all the H numbers, I believe, are going to be special drills, and everything above is going to be rhinestones. I like that. Wow. Oh, there's some pretty stuff in here. Oh, boy. This is the fun of special drills. Truly. When you find cool special drills. Makes my day. I love it. All right, so here's our rhinestones. We have brown, light gold, pink, green, and kind of like a orangey tan color. Oh, and a blue. Okay, there's our rhinestones. Here's our special drills. I love these. Oh, those are going to be our, like some centers to our flowers and stuff. They're little bumpy, little rounds. Those are so cool. I love those. And look at here. We have blue. They're like a clear. Those are neat. And then we have pink flowers. And then we have a whole bunch of these iridescent blue faceted marquees. They're looking purple and green and blue. They're really pretty. I love this one. This one's got fun stuff. Like I said, that is part of the fun for me, is finding all of these unique special drills. The unique ones. I love it. Okay. And then, of course, we have a box. We have a box. What comes in the box? I always try to get something that is a pendant or, you know, not a canvas. Not a canvas. Okay. I like how they're doing this. More and more often, they're packaging everything like this. Your toolkit, your drills. This one hangs. Clearly, there's a chain in there. They put all this stuff together in one package. Piece of foam to protect it. And I love that because, you know, I've had some history with things getting broken. Oh, that's unfortunate. It doesn't have a picture on the back. Oh, well. Look at it. Wouldn't that be fun to do this and actually hang it in my chicken coop? Or hang it outside of my chicken coop, put a little nail out there and just hang it. Oh, I might do that. I might do that. That would be fun. Welcome to the coop. Welcome to the coop. Look at, we got this big old rooster here. He's the one welcoming you. I don't know how welcome I would feel with him guarding the door, but you know. Anyhow, special drills all around the flowers and in the center, of course. I don't see anything else, really. I just see those. Although it's C and D, where's A and B? Normally, if there's a C and a D, there's an A and a B. I don't know. I don't see them. Okay, let's look at what we have. Let's get into them. Oh, sorry. I just ran right into the holder there. All right, I'm leaving the chain in here. I don't want to lose my chain, my hanging chain. That would be fun, though, to hang this out by the chicken coop. That would be hilarious. Oh, okay, we got lots and lots of rhinestones. Are you ready? Here we go. Clear, red, brown, blue, teal. Love that color. Love that color. Orange, another brown, a green, and a gold, and a champagne color. See, there are only 2. Look, there's only 2. Big faceted gold centers for those flowers, and then petals. Love it. All right, so that's what I got from GBFKE this time. Thank you so much. Let's recap what we have. We got the welcome. See, this one didn't have a picture on the back. Lots of times I'll have the same picture on the back. This one doesn't. That's okay. If I hang it on the chicken coop, who's going to see it? Right? So here's our goodies. Love them, love them, love them, love them. What do you think? Tell me favorites. I always like to know your favorites. You know, tell me your favorite. So thank you again for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, check out things on my channel, see what there is that interests you. Come back, visit, you know. Hitting that like button really helps. Tells YouTube, hey, we like this content. Show us more like that. And they will shoot my video out there to more people. All right, so thank you so much. Check the description box below for links for these if you are interested in them. And once again, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here really soon. Bye.